12-inch round marble accent table with 3 solid wood legs, and it includes gold accent fitting. The marble top and wood finish is available in multiple colors. Here's a quick assembly demonstration. Here I'm pulling out all the parts so we can look at it in closer detail. After we go through all the parts, then we'll go step by step on how to easily assemble this 12-inch round marble accent table. This marble top actually feels solid and it's actually pretty heavy. The shiny gold fittings that fit along the legs, they're actually made of plastic, and it comes with these 3 black rubber footings so it doesn't scratch or damage the floor. The fittings fit along the joints of the legs, also adjoining the base and the tabletop. The 3 screws that are included that you use with the Phillips head screwdriver are for the rubber protective footing. It would be a good idea to do this first before you start. Look over the illustration for a visual view and also count the parts to make sure you have all the parts in your kit. Assembly requires this Phillips head screwdriver, which is not included in this kit. Now let's flip over the top and we'll start from the table and assemble by building all the way up. Here you can just follow my steps and you'll be done in no time. I suggest using both hands simultaneously to help speed up the process. Rotate the legs clockwise to tighten to make sure it's snug on all parts. After this process, your table will feel sturdy and stable. Now, let's look at the results. After easy assembly, the results turned out wonderfully. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.